It's a beautiful day again. We're here up in the mountains and we're going to get some firewood. I got my buddy Woods here with me and this perfect view. So let's get to work. There's still a lot of firewood. I want to do this as fast as I can, just to break my record. It's a little cold this morning. Good thing I brought my coffee. Woods and I are gonna start working. Well, he's gonna be just hanging around, being a naughty boy. Woods loves burritos from McDonald's. Alrighty, so as I'm cutting the wood logs, I've noticed that my chain's not cutting right through how it's supposed to. It's taking time, and that's just it's stressing me out. So what I like to do is just swap it up with a brand new chain. Yeah, I've tried filing it. I can file it at home or just to save me a few bucks, you know. But it's alright. I like to use a new chain every time. That way I can just cut through the logs real fast and spend less time filing and trying to make it as sharp again, which is never gonna happen. It's not going to be as sharp as a brand new chain. So let's swap it up. I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to do it. It's pretty simple. Okay, let's get to it. So here's my new chain. It's a 20-inch bar. This is a Timberwolf Eco CS590. It's a nice chainsaw. I've had it for quite a while already, and it has never given me any problems. So to take off your chain, you're gonna need this tool, and then there's 2 lug nuts here that you're gonna loosen up. Just carefully, make sure you always wear gloves, because even though the chain is not sharp for cutting logs, it's still sharp enough to cut your fingers. So be careful. Once you have taken off both bolts, you can just put them aside for now and remove the plastic cover. And then here's what the inside looks. So you're just going to remove your bar from your chainsaw and then carefully remove the chain and just put the bar aside for now. You're gonna open up your new chain, carefully remove it. I'm gonna have to do this without gloves, but make sure you wear safety gloves always. This one's gonna be very sharp. You're gonna grab your chain and then you're gonna make sure it's pointing the right way. So it's gonna go that way going forward. See, the bottom teeth are pointing forward. You're gonna grab your bar and then you're just gonna go and put it to make sure it fits. Now you're gonna set it up just like that, and then you want to pull, make sure it's not loose, and then you're gonna grab your cover to make sure it fits right. It has this little screw down here which it goes inside the hole from the bar, the chain bar. It fits a little to the side. You're just gonna kind of get it in place to where it fits right in. Now you're gonna grab your tool and you're gonna tighten. So now you're gonna remove the brake from the chainsaw. If your chain is way too loose from your bar, then all you gotta do is just pull. Give it a nice pull carefully because it's sharp, and then you're going to tighten both of your lug nuts. Let's do one and then let's do the other one. And that's pretty much it. Now if your chain gets loose again, all you gotta do is just loose the two bolts from the chainsaw and grab your flat driver and then just tighten the screw enough to where the chain spins freely. So you don't have to do it too tight. And then after that, just tighten both lug nuts. And then just give it a quick try and make sure it's good to go. So what I'm doing right now is just I'm looking for dry logs. They all seem to be pretty dry, but there is a few that are still a little wet or a little green, even though they've been here for quite a while already. Like for example, this log right here, it's light, it's not too heavy. So what I'm gonna do is just put it right there and come and just cut it. Let's see if there's another one here. I found another small one here. What? Where are you? My dog, he likes to just go far. He's having the time of his life. He likes to come over here and just run around and explore. Oops. I'm gonna eat some lunch, and then I'm gonna feed Woods, give him some more water. His favorite burrito. I got like a third of a truckload already in there, and then here I got some more logs. Got a bunch to go still, but it's all right because I'm like breaking my own record. It's early, so I'll be finishing up soon. After I'm done eating, I'm gonna load them up in the truck, and then we'll see. All right, so this will be my last cutting of the day. I just have to retighten my chain. I'm gonna add some gas and chain oil. Let's check the gas real quick. I'm less than halfway empty. There you go. There you go. I try my best not to make a mess. All right, guys, I think it's time to go. That's enough weight for the truck. I'm already done for the day. All this mess is not mine, I promise. Yeah, once I get to a safe level surface to the main road, I'm gonna stack everything nice. Firewood, it's the real deal. You do workout, you work hard, you get sleepy, you're cold, you're hot, you're tired, but it's nice, it's amazing, it's good to be here. This is the best job ever, so I love it. Woods, are you ready to go home? All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, truck is looking good. Tires look okay. Already ready to go home. Woods, are you tired? He is tired. Poor baby. I already gave him water, gave him food, but he wants to go home. I want to go home too. I want to go take a shower, rest. Thank you so much for watching. If you came across my video, please give it a like. Comment down below, let me know. And then we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.